Hello friends, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. I'm so glad you're here today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and simple tutorial, how to change the default font in Microsoft Word to your favorite font and size. Whether you prefer Times New Roman, Arial, or something a bit more creative, by the end of this video, you'll be able to set it as your default every time you open Word. Now, before we dive in, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on useful tech tips and tutorials just like this one. So let's take a look at what we're working with. By default, Microsoft Word uses Calibri as the font and 11 point as the font size. This has been the standard from Word 2013 up to 2021, and it's quite a shift from the old school Times New Roman at size 12, which many people, especially where I'm from, still prefer for academic and professional documents. If you're one of those people who always finds themselves changing the font every time you start a new document, then this video is for you. Let's fix that once and for all. Here's how we do it. Start by going to the Home tab in Microsoft Word. Look for the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group. That's called the Font Dialog Box Launcher. You can also open it by simply pressing CTRL+D on your keyboard. A new window pops up. This is the Font Dialog Box, where we can set our font preferences. From here, you'll see a list of fonts. Go ahead and select the one you want. Like in our case, we're going with Times New Roman. Next, make sure the font style is set to regular, unless you prefer something bold or italic by default. Then, move to the font size box and change it from 11 to 12. That's it. You've picked your preferred font and size. Now comes the important part, making it the default. Click the Set as Default button at the bottom of the dialog box. You'll be asked a very important question. Do you want to set this font for this document only, or for all documents based on the normal template? Let me break that down for you. If you choose this document only, the changes will apply just to the current file you're working on. So the next time you open a new document, it'll still go back to Calibri 11. But if you choose all documents based on the normal template, you're telling Word, hey, from now on, every time I create a new document, I want it to start with Times New Roman, size 12. That's the option you want if you're making a permanent change. Once you've selected the second option, go ahead and click OK. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default font settings. Now, every time you open Word, your chosen font and size will be ready to go. No need to change it manually each time. If you run into any issues along the way, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.